kitchen. Leanne, what you got? Huh? Say what? Okay. Hemp mayonnaise. Hemp oil mayonnaise. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Watch going. You're right, it doesn't hurt. Yeah, well, I make a lot of my own rolls, so. Honestly, the menu that I came up with when I opened this up at Boca was I didn't know what to do. I had my carrot ginger soup on.
You know, somebody totally lost your mind.
Roasted squash bits.
Came right to a stop.
The sandwiches were the best. I still like Tony Dog on. I still like chili love it. Not good. We had smoked turkey sandwich, smoked prime rib sandwich, smoked chicken sandwich, salmon burger, which I got.
So amazing.
For my salmon burger, because I think I've kind of perfected the salmon cake recipe. Actually, no, it's not smoked. This stuff is just, actually this batch I started to poach half of it and like sear off half of it, and then I mix it all together and add a whole bunch of